On this video, I'm going to explain how to create a function from a template. Now notice that I'm starting from a Hello World program. There's a video of mine that explains how to get here. I'll put a link in the description of this video. So why should we use a template? So let's start with a couple of functions right here. So let's say you have int age equals 21 and string name equals grievous, and you want to print those two values, but you want to print in a function. So to print the age, I'm going to write a function that prints integer. So this function can now print an integer. So if I call print int and I pass age, it prints the age 21. And if I want to use the same function to print the name, now I got a problem, because the print int function wants an integer. So we got a problem. To solve this problem, we need to write another function called print string, and this function will receive a string and you will print the string just fine. I'm gonna copy the header here on the top. So now this function prints the string and this function prints the integer. No problem. And if I had another value here, let's say a float or whatever data type, then I would have to create another function. Now you can, if you want to, replace these two functions by a template function. So let's write a template function. So this is going to be a void template function. So I'm going to start with template class T, and it's going to be a void print. I'm going to name it print all, and it's going to be type X, and here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to print X. I have to copy this to the header, and now instead of calling these two functions here, I'm going to comment those out, and I'm going to comment this out as well. So instead of calling these functions, I can call the print all function, and the print all now can print age, and the print all can also print name. So let's run the program. Let's put a message here. So the print all function prints the integer and the string at the same time. So the beauty of the template function is that you do not have to define the data type that you're working with, therefore saving you time creating more functions. So I can do a cleanup on my code. I can delete this as well, and now I have a very short code that does the same job.